Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you RHS part number RHS-261.1. So this one is Rapid Holding Systems universal sport clamp for all the wire EDM machine models. The universal size oval hole into the clamps allow it to install directly on the wire EDM tables. This particular clamp perfectly sport clamp the work pieces and work great with all the 3R ruler clamps, and these can support up to 20 kilograms of work pieces. The overall specifications are 194 by 50 by 25, and adjustable length is 35 to 135 millimeters. And the material of this clamp is stainless steel. Great sport for all the wire EDM models, and it delivers with the sport clamp that is mounted on the clamp. So this listing is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Welcome to inquire us today.